The FBI handed back boxes of materials that President Donald Trump had unlawfully taken to his Mar-a-Lago, Florida estate upon leaving the White House. In 2021, the administration announced Friday Trump faced criminal charges for retaining national defense documents after leaving office and allegedly conspiring to hide them from federal authorities after FBI agents found more than 100 documents with classified markings at his Mar-a-Lago estate in 2022. The FBI had also recovered other government documents during the search. Those charges were dropped after Trump won the election. Per Justice Department policy not to prosecute a sitting president, it wasn't clear whether the boxes given to Trump on Friday consisted of classified documents. The White House did not respond to a message seeking clarification on the contents in the boxes. The FEBL is giving the president his property back that was taken during the unlawful and illegal raids. Trump's communications director Stephen Chung said, "We are taking possession of the boxes today and loading them onto Air Force One." The boxes were loaded onto Trump's flight departing to Florida on Friday. Trump wrote in a Truth Social post that the materials in the boxes will someday be part of the Trump Presidential Library. Justice finally won out. "I did absolutely nothing wrong. This was merely an attack on a political opponent that obviously did not work well. Justice in our country will now be restored," he wrote. Special counsel Jack Smith, who brought the charges against Trump in the classified documents case, resigned from the Department of Justice after Trump took office.